floating worlds. In my research, the universe is re-envisioned not as an empty vacuum punctuated by isolated objects, but as a vast cosmic ocean composed of ether, continuously generated by mass defects wherever energy is released. In nuclear reactions, stellar fusion, and other high-energy processes, a small yet fundamental loss of mass occurs. Rather than treating this mass defect as a purely abstract conversion into energy, this framework proposes that it gives rise to a physical medium, ether, that accumulates across cosmic scales. Over time, this process fills the universe with a dynamic, ocean-like substrate. Within this cosmic ocean, stars, planets, and other massive bodies are not merely suspended in emptiness. They behave like islands floating in a dense yet subtle medium shaped by their own mass, motion, and energy output. Stars, in particular, act as powerful sources, continually replenishing the surrounding ether through sustained fusion and sculpting local currents and gradients within the cosmic ocean.
Hello. I am Joseph George. I am the founder of New Physics Project. Hello. 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 I am Joseph George, founder of New Physics Project. Based on my research, space is indeed filled with a form of matter created by mass defects throughout the universe. I have pinned a link in the chat box if you are interested to know a detailed information about how I reached this conclusion. I have provided a link in the chat box. You can follow the link and you will get a better understanding of what is New Physics Project. According to my research, space is indeed filled with a form of matter generated by mass defect throughout the universe. This matter has a significant role in the understanding of the universe. In fact, this space-filling substance play a major role in the working of the universe, and in fact, all phenomena currently we study and explore through the lens of special and general relativity can be can be explained, alternatively explained to this space-filling medium. Every active star, every neutron collisions, supernova explosions, all these events in the universe creates a space-filling substance, and this space-filling substance play a major role in the understanding of the universe. So it has a it is a significant impact study. In fact, I am preparing my research for peer review. So in fact, we can consider like this. The space is a space. We can consider the universe space as a universal cosmic ocean, and stars and other massive bodies are floating as floating islands. So we can consider like that. Every star acts as a fountain of this space medium. Every active star continuously produces this ocean, this space-filling substance, and it plays an important role in the working of the universe, and it can provide better alternative explanation for all phenomena which we currently study and explain through the lens of special and general relativity. It's a very interesting study. In fact, the we can consider this space-filling medium as a modern ether. Ether concept is not a new. Ether is not a new concept. From since ancient times, it has been believed the existence of a space-filling substance. So this study, in fact, support this concept. We can find experimentally, we can prove the fact that mass defect creates a kind of space-filling substance. If you are interested, you can watch I have provided a link in the chat box and description. There you can find the experimental evidence. In fact, spent nuclear fuel is a source of is a very good resource to study about the system, what is happening with the mass defect. Mass defect, in fact, is rapidly volumetrically expands and explode. And this explosion, we can empirically prove this through the study of micro analysis of spent nuclear fuel provides clear evidences or supporting evidence for the explosive mechanism of the missing mass. So every missing mass rapidly and volumetrically expands and explodes, and this explosion propels the reaction products. So a mass defect releases energy because of this explosive mechanism, and interestingly, we can find a similarity between a chemical explosion and a nuclear explosion. We all know that a chemical explosion releases energy because of a rapid expansion of the chemical material, the explosive material. When a chemical substance is under oxidation and it explodes, it very rapidly its volume increase and explode. The rapid change in the state of matter is the physics behind the explosion of a chemical material, chemical explosive. Similarly, according to this research, a nuclear explosion also releases energy because of a change in the state of matter. The missing mass, in fact, undergoes a powerful volumetric explosion, and this explosion is the driving force behind the kinetic energy of the reaction products. This can be substantiated through various observations. In one of the resources of this the spent nuclear fuel, when you study microscopically analyze the spent nuclear fuel, we can find numerous evidences for this explosive behavior of the missing mass. So this spent nuclear fuel is one of the brilliant source of uh, uh, this information. So if you are interested, you can uh, check the link I provided in the chat box. I pinned in the chat box a link. Through the link you can uh, understand what is the new physics project and its implications, and how mass defect creates powerful explosion. So this is I believe that this study uh, so I strongly believe that this is a beginning of a new scientific revolution, because once we realize the existence of a space-filling substance, it has the potential to rewrite many of our current belief and many current theories in physics, because Einstein developed relativity theory, one of the foundational uh, assumption behind the relativity is the non-existence of a space-filling ether. Through the Michelson-Morley's null result, scientists uh, started to believe that the ether does not exist. And according to my research, ether is a term, but in fact, space-filling substance indeed exists. We can experimentally provide evidence for the generation of space-filling substance through the macro-analysis of spent nuclear fuel. Spent nuclear fuel provides a large number of data uh, through a macroscopic analysis of spent nuclear fuel. I have given a link in the chat box. If you go through the link, you get a better understanding of the experimental evidence which I am talking about. So, spent nuclear fuel is a major and is a wonderful resource to study about the universe. It's a shocking, at the same time, it is a very interesting discovery. When you study a microscopically analyze the spent nuclear fuel, it has a enormous data which is currently there are many phenomena associated with the spent nuclear fuel remains as anomalies. Currently, the current theoretical framework, does not have a proper satisfactory explanation for why is this the changes. There are a lot of phenomena or effects, changes, microscopic and structural and morphological changes that happens to uh, so there are numerous phenomena that associated with the spent nuclear fuel, which remain uh, So there are numerous changes that happens to a spent nuclear fuel which remain poorly explained by the current theoretical framework. Uh, uh, Special relativity cannot explain this still remains unexplained through the current theoretical framework. What is the exact mechanism behind the changes happens to spent nuclear fuel? There are a list of phenomena which currently remains unexplained through the lens of uh, special relativity. What is the exact mechanism behind the microscopic changes happens to spent nuclear fuel? So when you reinterpret these phenomena through the exploding mass defect hypothesis, you'll get a better understanding of this phenomena. The changes happens to spent nuclear fuel. So that is the beauty of this development. I have pinned a link in the chat box and also in the description, which explains what is New Physics project and its implications. If you are interested, you can read that article. So, according to the study, space is indeed filled with a form of matter created by mass defect throughout the universe. So, I welcome everybody, the scientific and academic world, to welcome to this research. Your valuable comments, and I welcome your comments on this work. I have published many books which discuss about my theory and how my book Either assist you can find in Amazon. There are books I have published. If you are interested, I will provide a link to my book. So this interesting development. I sincerely believe that we are going to witness a major revolution in physics. I'll share a book which discuss my this book link. I will share my So I sincerely believe that we are going to witness a major revolution in physics, and so I think So this is an interesting development. Uh, Hello. Yes, it can also happen. In fact, uh, the pair production is uh, a pair production is a phenomenon which can be explained through that way. That is a nucleus around the surrounding space. If space is not empty, then the space inside an atom also must be not empty. So an atom consists of not only its electrons and nucleus. I have published a book which discusses about the atomic structure sometimes back. In that book, I explain that if space is not empty, the space inside an atom also must be not empty. So an atom consists of not only electrons and its nucleus. So near the nucleus, the density of this medium will be stronger, greater. A nucleus, the nearest space to the nucleus, then density of this substance will be greater. So when a photon with the sufficient energy, like a 1.2 mega electron volt photon, when it passes through close to the nucleus, as a photon pass through a medium, its wavelength becomes shorter. That's why photon gets slower. So when a photon pass near close to a nucleus, it will become very shorter. It will get compressed. The photon will get compressed, and in that moment, because of an unknown mechanism, the denser region surrounding the nucleus will get fused and creates an electron-positron pair. That is the my explanation for the pair production of electron and positron. So that is a mechanism. Is the mechanism currently we consider as the conversion of energy into mass. However, according to this research, this is a this is the it's a conversion of space-filling substance or the medium surrounding the nucleus that converts into ordinary mass. So that is a explanation for the pair production. So this can in fact either can be converted into mass, ordinary mass. That is a good statement. So that is explanation for the pair production, electron-positron pair production. So these both are possible. When a electron and positron collide, they will get decompressed and becomes space-filling substance. So the conventionally we explain this as the conversion of mass into energy. When a electron and positron collide, they will violently excite, violently vibrate, and this vibration creates two photons. So through in this process, the these both particles get decompressed and it converts into space-filling substance. So and these two photons will be emitted. So conventionally, we believe this explain conventionally believe that this is the one of the evidence for the conversion of mass into energy. However, based on this new physics project, this is a conversion of mass into ether. So this can be, in fact, all phenomena can be explained through this new framework. It unifies phenomena that we currently explain through special relativity, general relativity, quantum mechanics. Every phenomena currently, the phenomena which we explain through this current framework can be reinterpreted to this way. So this is an interesting development. In fact, I am preparing a research paper for peer review. Recently, I attended in Delhi to explain the conversion of mass into energy and how nuclear energy is released based on this new hypothesis. If you are interested to know about what is new physics, I have given a link in the chat box. I pinned a comment in the link in the chat box. What is new physics project and its implications? A link I have given. So if you are interested, you can go through the link and read. You will get a better understanding of what is a new physics project and what is the experimental experimental verification for this project. A spent nuclear fuel is a wonderful source of information. It's an archive of information about what happens, what actually happens to a mass defect. So So spent nuclear fuel can provide a better understanding of what happens to a mass defect. So this is a very interesting hello, hi.